G'day guys, today I'm getting started on the engine. For the past 2 weeks I've been slaving away at the motor. For those who don't know, it's a Nissan A12 motor off my Datsun 1200. More videos in the card here. This video will be focusing on the disassembly of the block. I don't have an engine crane or an engine mount, so I'll be doing things a little bit differently from the book. If you are doing this kind of thing by yourself, make sure you read and follow the appropriate user manual recommended for your vehicle. I've put in a lot of hours and have a lot of footage, and there'll definitely be parts skimmed past in the video. If there's anything you'd like to see done in detail, please let me know in the comments below. Let's get into it. I'm loosening the engine mount bolts so that I can slide in my paddock stand. These are for propping up motorbikes, but it'll do the job for me. Luckily, this engine is light enough to manhandle, especially in parts. The most time-consuming part of this is the cleaning. There's half a century's worth of dirt, grease, and grime. I wouldn't be surprised if there's kangaroo and possum goo as well. In the next upload, I'll be cleaning and spraying the oil pan, main block, and rocker cover. I'll be putting back together the lower half of the engine block, so I can switch it around and start working on the cylinder heads. As always, please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you want to see more. Let me know what you want to see more in detail in the comments below. Cheers!